12 small ways to make yourself happier. Smile more often. Life is like a mirror. When you smile at it, it smiles back. Practice smiling daily, telling yourself, "You're doing great." Don't forget to share your smiles with others, spreading joy and lifting your own spirits. Those who smile often tend to be luckier. Enjoy solitude. Allocate some time for yourself every day. Reflect on your emotions and converse with your inner self. Listen to a song, brew a cup of tea, cook a meal, or read a book. These little pleasures enrich our lives. Ensure sufficient sleep. Consistently depriving yourself of sleep results in fatigue and eventual health problems. Make a conscious decision to sleep early and wake up refreshed. A good night's sleep leads to a positive day. Don't sweat the small stuff. Often, our worries are self-created. Many situations aren't as challenging as we make them out to be. Overthinking harms you. Fewer worries naturally lead to a better mood. Avoid procrastination. Manage your time effectively, prioritizing tasks. Finish work and studies on time. Fulfill promises within the stipulated time frame. Handling tasks promptly gives a better sense of control over life. Stay active. Regular exercise enhances physical well-being, sculpts your physique, and uplifts your mood. Active individuals tend to appear healthier and younger. Cherish life's beauty. Life lacks not beauty, but the eyes to see it. Capture mesmerizing views and pen down fascinating experiences. Discover, preserve, and reminisce the beauty to elevate your mood. Never stop learning. There's a saying, your problem is that you think too much and read too little. Instead of overthinking, strive to educate yourself and grow continuously. Speak kindly, be strong inside. A kind word warms people in winters, while a harsh word chills even in June. Embrace gentleness, empathize, and offer compliments. However, remain principled and resilient internally. Always be grateful. As Tagore mentioned in Stray Birds, thank the flame for its light, but don't forget the lamplighter standing steadfastly in the dark. Express gratitude for life's blessings and those who've been kind. Seek out the gifts life offers you. Foster positive friendships. Surround yourself with positive, uplifting friends who share your joys, lighten your burdens, and support you during challenging times. Spend time with family. Frequently visit home. Engage in leisurely chats over tea with your parents and loved ones. Time seems gentler with family around, and their presence is the greatest happiness. May you continue to relish your interactions with the world, treading paths filled with flowers. Every morning, may the world appear as a gleaming gift, waiting for you to unwrap.